Brucham Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the Heilige Rebbe Elimelech from Lezhensk, Zechusi Galenim Klosumain. This week's Parsha is Parshas Tzav. In the book of Leviticus, chapter 6, verse 1 and 2, we read, V'daber Tzav es b'nei Yisrael. The Lord spoke until Moses, saying, command the children of Israel. Rashi explains, Ein Tzav el Ziruz, b'yosetzerch l'zares b'mokam sheyesh chesron kis. That the term Tzav, which means command, is a term of giving encouragement to be diligent, because you need more diligence in a place where there is literally missing the container, missing the cover, missing the pocket, which is an idiom referring to monetary loss. That's what it means, missing from the pocket. So the Elimelech says, it appears to me according to the hint, that when a person worships the blessed Lord, may be blessed, he needs to worship with diligence and with good character traits. But if someone worships the blessed Lord with laziness, that he's being forced to, and he's in an unwilling way, then he's missing his body. Meaning he has no body in the mitzvah, and the body is like a cover, a pocket for the soul. Rashi, so therefore that's what Rashi says, that you need more diligence in a place where you're missing the pocket. I know that if someone is worshiping God in a lazy way and he's not excited to be worshiping God, he has to have more zrizas, he has to more diligence to serve God with intent and include the body and together with the soul in his worship, canal, as we said above.